Crikey! We need some bird catching today, so we can have ourselves a meal.
Right now, we are digging a hole. Show the hole. So that Professor Joey can build himself a bird trap, so he can catch some birds. Here he goes, entering the bird trap.
Joey's been out in the wild for about 50 days, that's why his hair is all crazy.
My face!
See, he's suffering from partial craziness.
Oi! Dude, don't throw it over there! Dude,
Lay down.
Dude, that freaking hurt! Felt like someone was pounding on me. What the heck?
Dude, Joey.
Oi! It's going through my underwear.
Oh, sorry. Alright, go on, lay down.
Lay down.
And now we shall mummify.
Don't throw it in my face.
We shall mummify him.
Alright, let me take this for your hand.
Don't cover my hand.
Oh, jeez, sorry.
You just have to cover my hand with what's it called? With a blanket so that I can grab it, really fast. Cover it. Cover it.
Can we put it on his nose?
Crikey! I mean, Joey, say.
Huh? Crikey.
Here's a wild Joey.
What do you call this, Professor Joey?
This is called the bird trap maneuver.
We gotta give him like glasses.
He learns this from.
Hey, you can't breathe, look.
There's not even any.
The seagulls are gonna be what?
They're gonna think it's sand crabs.
We must camouflage.
Don't worry.
Alright, now close your eyes.
No,
As you can see, wild Joey appears amidst all of the sand.
These are my little henchmen.
Why didn't we go near the birds?
My toes.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of chips
Obviously.
All right,
Wait, we'll just put
tend to
food.
forget
make sure it's a
details.
buffet.
A buffet.
We have to make it look natural as possible.
Alright, yeah, they won't tell the difference between sand and
A Joey.
Joey. I'm just kidding.
Because he has been out
Oh,
here
my eyes.
for 50 days. Hey, who threw it in his eyes?
Someone wipe my eyes.
Alright, so get some chips. I'm gonna get some chips.
Oh, my toes.
Wait, Joe, here,
Wait, my
use your
eyes
hands,
hurt.
use your hands, use your
Wait, can you
Wait,
give me
get a towel. Someone get him a
Give me my
towel. Get this
My
man a
blue
towel.
one.
He has been out here for 50 days.
This is
Get him a
failing
towel.
miserably.
Wait,
isn't
got
it?
chips. Get him a towel.
Oh, wait, I could take pictures at the same time, duh.
Alright,
Just Scott eats one.
yeah, let's make like some art.
Alright. Yeah.
Dude, Joey.
You okay?
Yeah.
Hey, we need more chips than that.
Spread it around, I don't know. Oh.
Wait, are we supposed to put the towel on his face?
No, here. This is the way we can do it. Right here.
Hey, stop breathing, man.
Stop breathing.
Please.
Die.
Okay, now what?
Now we have to act like no one.
Tell us your theories,
Like a
man.
little
Come on.
smiley.
Come on, tell us your theories.
My theory is freaking.
Hey, don't put it in his mouth. Those are dirty. Seriously.
What?
The seagulls bit into that.
Oh,
That's why those holes are there.
Oh.
You're trying to feed it to the...
He must
thought he
become
was a
one with the bird.
Thought he was a seagull.
Alright. Now you guys gotta go away.
This is looking a little weird.
This is not what I imagined at all. I thought it was gonna be a blanket over here, and then you throw it.
No,
on.
I know. What are you guys doing? I
Put one
can't
on
see.
your face.
You guys gotta tell me if a seagull's gonna come.
Oh yeah, I've got to tell you.
Okay, throw more. Throw a bunch of them, like throw like handfuls. Hey, a seagull's coming! Back! Everyone run!
One more time.
Hey, everyone actually runs away.
Oh my god!
Wait,
Joey, don't move! Joey, don't move!
move!
Don't move!
I'm scared.
Hey, everybody, back up more, so they can...
Wait, the bird is getting into a predatory position.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
gonna eat you.
I'm so scared. Oh, they're getting into
Dude, there's so many birds.
Dude, Joey, there's like 10 birds.
This was Joey. These glasses are all that's left of him.
He's like, I'm smarter.
Wait, I think we need to back up some more. I think we should back up some more, guys.
No, they're coming.
No. Alright, everyone move back.
Oh, see, they're coming.
The further back we move.
Trying to figure out if it's real or not.
I think they see his hand.
Close your eyes, Joey.
There's a really ugly one right next to you.
That bird choked. It was like, and he went backward.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, I think that the dumb bird is the one near you, and the other ones are like, obviously, that's a human.
We're just gonna sit here and look.
Well, obviously.
Obviously.
No, there's one going for the one in his hand.
They're coming, Joe. They're getting
Holy
braver.
crap, dude, there's like
There's so much.
so many.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13.
No, they
Wait,
just moved from there to here.
maybe
There-
we should turn our backs.
There are 13 of them.
That's how you know. And you walk backwards in case
Oh shoot, it's working, it's working. Hey,
Dude,
you guys
there's like an audience on the hill right
when you guys turn around, they actually move.
Alright, you gotta turn
now.
around.
Dude, I told you this works.
Oh, dude, there's
Yeah,
a
it's
black
working,
one
it's coming,
coming.
they're coming. Yeah, we're scaring them away, that's why.
It's okay, we can watch this later.
Your friend.
That surprising face. That's late.
I totally forgot.
Here it comes, here it comes.
Oh, it's on his
Dude, I don't want to know what's gonna happen next.
I'm scared.
Hey, round two. That was right there.
Shoot, I felt it too. Oh, sorry.
Explain to us, Captain Joey.
So,
So what went wrong and what went right?
Professor Joey.
so as our theory was, right. The birds came because they couldn't see my face. They have these face detections. It's called bird eye view. Yes, but of course, this thing was blocking my perception. Right. Which makes me not be able to see what I was grabbing.
But it makes you sound
Amazing!
Round two. This time I'm gonna wear glasses and then cover my
They're
face.
laughing at you, Joey.
Oh my.
Okay.
So much.
All right, round two with Captain Joey.
You ready? You gotta get glasses on my face.
Yeah, get the chips.
Joey, where's your arms? Can you wiggle just a little? Okay.
Wait, do a close up on Professor Joey. Joey, the camera is in your face. Please describe the situation.
Wait, hold on. No one knows it's Professor Joey yet.
Oh,
Now
there
they
he
do.
is. There he
Oh,
is.
now I recognize.
Wait, Joey can't see.
Wait, I know, you gotta like.
He wants to be able to see.
He is the hollow man.
I just want to make sure that you can breathe a little.
Yeah, thank you.
There.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna wrap it all the way around my head except for my eyes, so I can see where the seagull is.
Yeah, that's what he wanted.
And then I want like glasses on, so then they don't know.
Wait, what about bird's
We
eye
should put
view?
it inside them.
Yeah, what about bird's eye view?
No, they won't recognize the eyes, I think.
I really like how he did that.
Alright, Joey, close your eyes. Jack. Close
Okay,
your eyes.
I got it.
He actually said the birds see his eyes.
Can you actually
Really?
hold this?
Yeah, they do.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Is there
Dude,
a
your
way?
fingers won't
I
go
think we
in
would
there,
need
man.
2 towels.
Joey, relax your fingers.
You're pushing them down like piano.
No, there's a way.
Dude, man, I was laughing so hard, and the seagulls like they didn't care. They just kept going.
Oh no, they're eating our food.
Tony!
Is it?
Tony's like, forget it.
They're like,
Where's the glasses?
Wait, my
Ninja
glasses.
Joey
There you go.
they're like,
There, I got it.
What is that? Alright.
No, cover it.
There's our
Get that on my head so I can like pick up.
Oh, it was successful.
Yeah,
they're
they're like
just
all
waiting
over
for the
him.
feast.
You can watch it
Holy
later.
crap,
I'll show you.
there's so many.
Joey, you're breathing so heavy.
Really?
Look at him.
I was like, how do you hear him?
I hope they don't attack your face.
They're behind.
Dude, I like how Joey's hands have their own mounts.
They're coming.
Oh, dude, am I stepping on your hand? Okay.
Put them on the mound.
It hurts.
No,
He
those
can't
are
breathe.
toes,
He can't
though.
breathe. It's really heavy
No, I
on his
can't.
chest.
Yeah,
okay.
the sand hurts.
Not too much sand. More sand.
I'm good.
Okay, Joey's done.
Yeah, alright.
Wait, but cover my face a little bit more if you can.
Move the
Can you like
mask
tuck
part
his
up.
face in?
Yeah.
Well, the bird.
Alright, let's go.
Are you good, Joey?
Yeah.
I love you.
Round
All
two.
right, round three, round two. All right, Dave. Wait, hold on. Oh shoot! They're coming! They're coming! They're coming! I want to take a picture of this. Back up! They put their butt in your face.
Wait, maybe we should turn our backs again.
No, they're doing it.
We need more chips.
Grab their feet. Grab their feet. Nice.
I wanted to let it go.
Nice.
You said
Dude. Well, you should have grabbed it and held it and
Do
pinned
you want me to grab it?
Yeah.
I grabbed it, but I didn't wanna like keep it.
Wait, hold on.
They're dirty, okay?
Wait.
They're like.
Look at his commitment. There's a chip on his head.
Dude, that chip on his head is still there.
Dude,
No,
the
don't
birds
stop
came
now.
and they like rubbed their butts in your face. All right, wrap up.
You want to say something?
It was a good day.
It was a good day, but I saw the cute face on the birds and I don't want to eat it. Had compassion.
52 days
His
later.
bird's eye view did not avail.
Is that it?
And this concludes.
This concludes today's lesson on catching birds.
I'm about to jump over you.